Asun tuossa Keittiön Jaalapuisto.
There's another very nice elevator here, which is almost scenic. Today on the 16th of October 2023 in Messitytönkatu, 15 stages big. We have the stations ANC here before. It was also built by Semag in 1995. Turned 25 years old in 2020, but made like scenic.
Yeah.
The number is 54083, and the inspection, warning sticker is in both official languages here. It's going to be inspected in 2025. And take 2 hours here. Best is for persons or 300 backgrounds. Here in Ruoholahti, Gräsviken, Helsinki and Sports, Usuminen, Finland. And here in Gräsviken, Ruoholahti, we have only 8 imported elevators left to be filled as soon as possible. No more than that.
Yeah.
I think it could be possible at the beginning of 95 because it's the direction on the buttons.
Yeah.
Those have come on 80s.
Ja. Inspekteert bara var inspekterat maintained by Spawn hissi.
You cannot see much though, but still.
Yeah.
This is almost scenic.
Yeah. Mats Petertonin järven sivu.
Yeah. Of course, because there's those always 1,000 where they didn't do it.
Yeah.
Or not that bad, same thing.
Yeah.
Because the idea of the fact that you make a scenic one but you don't make the window in the cab
Mm.
is really, and this happens so much there.
Yeah.
Because if you make a shaft with a view outside, then you have to make a window in the cab as well.
Yeah.
And that's it. Thank you very much for watching.
That's